This video teaches you how to add a footer to the bottom of a printed worksheet in Microsoft Excel in an open workbook. Click the worksheet on which you want to add a footer. To apply the footer to all sheets in the workbook, right-click any of the tabs, then click Select All Sheets. To select more than one but not all worksheets, hold Ctrl as you click each tab. Click the Page Layout tab. Open the Page Setup dialog, click the Header/Footer tab. Select a footer design from the menu. You can also create a custom footer. Enter the text you want to appear in any of the boxes. Click the A button to adjust the font size, face, and style. To add page numbers, click the desired box, then click the second button. For the total page count, click the third button. Click the calendar for date and the clock for time. To add the file name, click the yellow folder button, the spreadsheet with a green and white X, or the spreadsheet with 2 tabs at the bottom. To add an image, click the image button and then follow the on-screen instructions to find and select an image. Click the paint can button at end of the row to edit the image. Click OK. Click Print Preview to see how your footer will look. Click the back button to return to page setup. You can edit the footer at any time by clicking the Header and Footer button on the Insert tab at the top of Excel. If you want, you can display different footers on even and odd pages or a different footer for the first page. Check Different Odd and Even Pages to create a second footer for alternating pages, or Different First Page to have a different footer on the first page. Click the Custom Footer button. There are tabs for each of the footers. Click OK. Your footer is now added and will appear at the bottom of each printed sheet.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.